We are going to see how to use document AI to extract the data from the form, and I will show the place to upload into the BigQuery. Now in this video we just see how to get the data from form using document AI. So here we know that console cloud.sql. We open the console, we open the project, specific projects. After that we can see all list of projects. We have all the products what we have from product with text AI to everything. So we will directly go to the document AI. So now and in this document AI we are going to use two options. We can create custom processor, we can upload the invoice, and labeling the data. Labeling means how the system, how this document AI will work. Before we know there's a OCR. The OCR, how it was work, we will get the sentence as a text. From the text, we can chunk the data and get the information what we want. Here, in the document AI, it automatically get the entity and related key values and the key. Based on the key we can get the data and use you get the data in a structure format and use for our flow or our process. So here we will see the simplest way how we get the data from document using here we have more options by processors. Here these are the already creator processors. So this is the electric bill. For electric bill we can upload the electric bill. We can, based on the informations, based on the labeled data, we can get the result and use for our purpose. Now we go for the way. Here we can use custom processor, we can use custom extractor, we can upload the image, and we can upload the image, upload the PDF or any document, and get the labeled data for our flow. And we can get custom, we can classify the document value based on this document AI. So we have the option for summarizer. Based on the document upload we can get a summarized value. So more options available here. In the process gallery we have the options. Now we have document OCR. We know the document OCR is from the sentence data. um, so from the sentence data, we can get the informations for our usage. We can bank statement process, everything already available. We will use form process, how it will identify and get the data. We will see from here. Create processes, then electric invoice, extract. When we create, it will create one processor ID. So based on the processor ID we can connect this processor ID in the BigQuery, in the BigQuery using external connection. So we can, once you upload the in electricity invoice using this processor, we can push directly into the BigQuery. So when we can search the information from the invoice in readable format. So now we will see how this extractor now is within seconds is already created. So we know the prediction point. Here this is the document AI, then this is the processor ID. So using this processor, this is the processor fields and for projects and processor ID. Just we will pass this as in the API. and we can get the related informations, entity values in the sector format for our flow. Here, upload. Once you upload this invoice, now it will detect the, is automatically detected. So our most of the work, if when we go and see uh, this document, here we have the consumption amount, meter, VAT, everything, customer information, mobile number, invoice date, everything available. This invoice we can instead of open and see the invoice separately, we can get the information automatically. The document AI check it and get the related information, description, amount, contract account numbers, how much consumption amount, meter rent, VAT, period, everything, invoice number, will everything, invoice amount, everything we get now. So how we can, so this one and table information also, this table information also we are retrieve. So everything happen within the seconds. So how we can, now we get the data, now we have the processor to get the informations automatically using document AI. How we can use this in our endpoint API, we can push document into this API and get the related information JSON. We can push into the BigQuery or in the table database where we want. So here now see how to use document AI to get the information from the invoices. We will see another interesting videos in next time. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and subscribe and motivate us to add more videos. Thank you.